Good morning, children. Welcome you all to today's science class. Children, today we are going to study about our sense organs. Sense organs means the organs that connect us to the outside world are called sense organ. Children, there are 5 sense organs present in our body. Okay, these 5 sense organs are ear. You can see here ear, eye, nose, skin and tongue. These are the 5 sense organs which are present in our body. Okay. So in detail we will study about the sense organs. So first of all, let's start with eye. Our eye help us to see. The eye are located in the bony cavities of skull and that are called eye sockets. I already told you in last lesson that our eyeball is fixed in bony socket and that socket is called eye sockets. Okay, that eye socket protect our delicate eye. Okay, so eye are protected by eyelid and eyelashes which keep the dust and dirt out. You know, eyelid and eyelashes. This is eyelid and these hairs are called eyelashes. Okay, so this eyelid and eyelashes protect our eye from dust and dirt. Eyelid protect our eye from injuries. Okay, so the different parts of our eye we will study in detail. So first part of eye is cornea. Cornea is curved part of our eye. Cornea is curved, transparent and circular coat in front of our eyeball. You can see here cornea. This curved and transparent part of eye are called cornea. It control and focus the entry of light into the eye. Okay. Then after that, the another part of our eye is iris. Iris is a colored thin circular ball which is present in the center of our eye. You can see here this is iris, that circular this iris give the color to our eye. It is thin circular ball which is present in the center of our eye and it determines the eye color. Okay, so iris. Then after that, pupil. Pupil is an opening in the center of the iris. You can see the dark spot is in the center of eye, in the center of the iris. That is called pupil. Pupil, it look like black spot. You can see in the center of the iris there is a black spot and that spot is called pupil. The light enter into the eye through this pupil. Okay. Another part of the eye is lens. You can see lens present behind the iris. Lens is a solid body lying just behind the iris. Okay. The lens provides focus of light on the retina. So, what is retina? Retina is a very delicate coat at the back of our eye. You can see this is retina. Okay. Image are formed on retina, means whatever we see, the image of that things are formed on our retina. Tiny nerves are present on retina. You can see so many nerves are present here. Tiny nerves are present on retina and these nerves send the message to the sensory nerve called optic nerve. The messages from eye to brain, that nerve is called optic nerve. and the optic nerve carries those messages to brain, and thus optic nerve connect the eye to the brain. Means eye is directly connected to our brain with the help of nerve. That nerve is optic nerve. Okay, so that's all about retina and all the parts of our eye. First part is cornea. Cornea is transparent and circular coat of eyeball. Then after, and it controls and focuses the entry of the light into eye. Another part is iris. Iris give or impart the color to our eye, and it is the thin circular ball which is present in the center of our eye. Okay, and because of the iris only the color is acquired to our eye. Okay, means it determines our color, iris. Okay, another part is pupil. Pupil is an opening which is present in the center of the iris. Means that black spot is present in the center of the iris is pupil, and light enter into the eye through this pupil. Okay, another part, lens. Lens is solid body lying just behind the iris. You can see in the picture lens, and lens provide the focus of light on the retina. Means that lens focuses the light on the retina. Okay, and because of that light only the image is formed on retina. Retina is very delicate coat at the back of the eyes, and images are formed on retina. Okay, thin tiny nerves present on retina. There is a network of nerve you can see, and this network of the nerves present in retina, and these nerves send the messages to sensory nerves, and that sensory nerves is optic nerve. This optic nerve is directly connect the eye to the brain. Means whatever the messages from eye uh, carry to brain through optic nerve. Okay, this is optic nerve. This carry the messages from eye to our brain. Means optic nerve connects the eye to the brain. Okay, that's all about the parts of our structure. Children, you have to draw this structure of eye in your copy on the drawing page. Okay, now we are going to study how to take care of our eyes. Eyes are very delicate part. Okay, so it needs care. So how to take care of eyes, we will study over here. First of all, eyes are delicate sense organs, so simple measures should be taken to protect and care for our eyes. Children, eyes, particularly of the children, should be got checked periodically by doctors. Okay, means time to time we have to check our eyes by doctor. You should read in proper light. Means very dim light or bright light is harmful for our eyes. Means we should read the books in proper light. Keep the books or pages at least 36 centimeter away from our eyes. Means not too close, not too far. Means it near about 36 centimeter away from eyes. Children, if dust and coal, sand particle or dust particle may fall in your eyes, do not rub your eyes. Okay, you do not rub your eyes with your dirty hands or with dirty handkerchief. In place of that, you have to wash your eyes with clean water to remove the dust. Okay, so the dust particle or can be get out of our eyes. Okay, and in case of infection, if your eyes got any infection, so eye flu or eye infections is there, do not go to school. Okay, get your eyes treated by your doctor. You have to consult your doctor. Okay. Um, okay. Another, you should watch the television sitting at least 6 feet away from the television. Don't watch television by sitting too close to television. Okay. Do not watch television or work on computer for long. Okay. If you watch television for long, it will affect your eye. You should, and to healthy and good eye, you have to eat the vegetables which are rich in vitamin A. Okay. So in gajar or carrot, there is vitamin A present. So you have to eat carrot for healthy eye. Okay. So that's all about our eye. In our next class, we will study about our ear and nose, tongue, etc. Okay. So that's all for today, children. Have a good day.